Hello everyone, welcome to the Career Planning video series. I am Kiran Sumaya, Director of NCC's Career Development Experiential Learning Center. In this series, we will cover 5 main career development topics, including Introduction to the Career Center's Services and Resources, Focus 2, a career assessment tool, which will help you in identifying your skills and strengths. What can I do with this major? This is another tool to help you learn about majors and related careers. You will also learn about why is it important to get involved in activities such as service learning and clubs. Lastly, we will learn how to create an effective resume and cover letter to become ready for the workforce. In this video, which is part 1 of the series, you will learn how to locate and navigate the Career Development Center's web pages. You will also be introduced to the services and resources that are offered by the center. So let's get started. Okay, now open a browser and type norwalk.edu, which will take you to NCC's main webpage. On this page, you'll see there are many drop-down links. Move your cursor to Student Services and then click on the Career Development and Experiential Learning Center's link, which is the second sublink, which will take you to the center's main landing webpage. Now that you've learned how to locate the Career Development Center's webpage, let's learn about what services does the center offer. So the Career Development Center assists you in writing effective resumes and cover letters, job search techniques, interview preparation, building LinkedIn profiles, networking strategies, and more. The center also hosts a ton of workshops and events to help you connect with potential employers and with alumni. It also connects you with internships and job opportunities. Additionally, the center has developed a career readiness process, which is robust and is broken down into 4 steps: explore, plan, execute, and reflect. We will learn more about the process in the following video. But these steps have too many resources and links that you can take advantage of. Some of the resources have been shadowed on the center's main webpage. NCC Career Connections, which is the center's online job and internship board. This is the job board where local employers post internship and job opportunities for students and alumni. Focus 2, which I mentioned earlier, is a career assessment tool. What can I do with this major? Is another tool that I mentioned earlier, which will help you in identifying majors and related careers and fields. We also have Candid Career, which has informational videos of real people that can assist you in your options when you're choosing your career path. Let's dive more into learning about the job, which is called NCC Career Connections. When you click on the job board, you come to this page, which walks you through how do you sign on. For existing students, you will click on Current Students, which is your single sign-on method, using your MyComNet username and password. And later, when you become an alumni, you will still have access to the job. Through the same link, you can click on Alumni and create your own username and password. So let's look at how would current students sign on. Click on this current student single sign-on link, which will take you to this page where you will fill in your student ID number followed by @student.comnet.edu and click Next, then enter your password and sign in. Now you reach on your landing page, and if you're a student who's logging into the job board for the first time, it takes you to the screen where it says Get Started. So click on Get Started. It'll ask you a couple of questions, such as what types of jobs are you looking for? If you are certain, then you will click on whether you're looking for full-time, part-time, internship opportunities. If you're sure, then click whatever you're looking for. If not, just click on next. That'll give you more options. So in this case, let's click on part-time and internship opportunities. And click next. It then asks you, where would you like to work? So if you're sure about the location, say if you're thinking of Norwalk, Connecticut, you can type Norwalk and then click additional locations if you would like, such as Stamford, and then click next. It'll prompt you with another question, which industries are you interested in? If you have chosen your major and you're sure of what areas you're looking to work in, you can select maybe say accounting services or anything related to accounting. If you do not find anything else, if that's your major, then select accounting and click next. It will also prompt you with a question which asks, what job functions are you interested in? At this point, I would keep it a little broad and then click next. What are you looking for most in an employer? This could be another question. I would keep it much more broad because you could work with a high growth industry or an established employer, or even specific employers that hire specific kinds of people from different areas. I would just keep it broad and click next. Where have you worked? You can either populate that by typing in information, but keep it broad again. And my purpose of saying keep it broad is because you want to keep more options open for you. You want the system to show you several other opportunities that could be potential opportunities for you. Click next. And then it says that you've completed all your profile information at this point, which the system is requesting. Click OK. And that takes you to your home page, where you will see on the left menu, there are links to home, jobs, profile, documents, events, employers, and several other resources. So let's also look at what's there on this home page. You see there are jobs that have been populated based on the answers that you gave to the system when you clicked on Get Started. Let's look at more jobs. Let's click on the jobs link on the left menu. Click on Search. You can filter your search further by inserting keywords. Let's type accounting and click Search. Now, based on keyword search, the system is providing you accounting jobs, which includes internships all over the country. Let's filter our search further by putting in location information. Let's type Stamford and click Search. It narrowed down our search much more. We can also star our favorite jobs, which will then reside in the favorite tabs. So let's star some of the favorite jobs and go to the Favorites tab where these jobs have now been populated. Let's look at one of the jobs and see if we can apply to that job from the system. When we clicked on the part-time bookkeeper job, you see there is an apply button right there at the top. Of course, you will read the job description and you will meet with a career counselor to make sure that if you want to apply to the job from the system, you have an approved resume and a cover letter which you can upload from the system right here. And you could click Submit. Thank you for watching this video and continue to watch other videos in our career planning series.